Got a seaplane out there. That's some rocking and rolling going on here. Everybody can see that seaplane. A lot of folks out here today. Boats are stretched out as far as you can see. Homosassa is jam-packed. Plenty of boats. It's been a good weekend. And there's Crystal River Power Plant. Or as you can see, Crystal River right over there. Or about 1.5 miles or so. Stretched all the way out there. Sailboat. Okay, folks. Ozella Don signing off.